strike me almost like, well, I don't know.
Thanks for the information, King. But we could change the subject.
Yeah.
A better, more progressive things. I went to a meeting the other day with the, tourism sector. It was so, what should I say? It was so fulfilling and looked like something that can bear positive fruit.
Wow.
Yes, ma'am.
There's no damn thing they would want to hear, Miss Brissett. Because you see partnerships like those help with the achieve what we are working towards.
Our next move is a King Man.
Yeah.
Is to gather the people then from the community, the different parts of the community, and have a talk with them. And even more so, have somebody from that sector to come talk to them as a collective.
That's done. Retreat. We can use it as a vehicle to bring one-on-ones in the same space and achieve
everything we want. You not talk to Dan Dadas them yet?
As a matter of fact, that's my next stop when I leave you.
Tell him say I'm going to come talk to him one of them days, yeah? Because I want to revisit the whole dance program thing where me that talk to him about on Theme Block. Because me hear say them are going to restart it.
Consider it done.
Proper. But, King Man, this is very impolite of you. If you're not in a hurry, come inside and make you have a drink now.
Okay, no problem.
All right,
after
see
you,
then.
buddy.
Yeah, King. Welcome to the original office.
Yes, I. Ajay, man.
I pray.
Boy, first and foremost, I must tell you, say boy, bless me. Father and sister, the thing jump off. Even though still small, but jump off.
I want to tell you, say, King, based on what did I go on in the community, kind of did slow up things, you know what I mean? But you don't know nothing slow for too long, things have to pick up and move fast. So the people them see the movements and them start forward back, you know what I mean? So me have to kick it off, just community tourism, and they will just bring it back all the day they deal with it for me. Because I know me a man that stay at Jamaica too long.
Which is right. I'm glad to you bring up that thing that you know. Because not long ago I have a conversation with Miss Brissett, you know, and she mentioned that same thing about the community tourism, you know.
Yeah. You chat to police, you know, I mean, Miss Brissett, you know what I mean? That talk to her about that same little program, because she show me a vibe about she have a little girl for come go on, do the teaching, you know what I mean? So I say, yeah man, she can forward in, man.
Yeah man, it's still a green light. As a matter of fact, I want to tell you something, just a reason with her, and she have mentioned that she in link with some people at the tourist board.
Hold on. And them politician people you talk about. I'm not some private entity because me not deal with politics. No.
Well, the truth is, you know, anything we have come through them government office there is politically motivated. But as long as them no want respect, we need to be politically affiliated. And they say that.
King man. Me a friend for years. I supposed to know how they done that road. So me I do in our community. Actually, we are managing by ourselves still, you know. We don't really want to hand out from no politician people, and it no matter where them want to come from over that side or over that color there, no. We good.
I hear you as me said before, brother. And we don't want no hand out because that's not where we there. But guess what? In the process, it would hurt to get certain official accreditation and official stamp of approval. That's all we need.
Trust you're still in a king. But would I like some solid, solid concrete evidence, reasoning about this whole project where you tell me about from.
Which is right. However, Ms. Brisson is arranging for a representative from the tourist board to come hold a reasoning with me as a collective. After we hear what them say, then my friend we can make a decision.